you very much for helping. What is going to happen, everybody? I'm going to run on the stage, I'm going to leap in the air, and land on Gary. Gary, I'm going to land on your shoulders, and then you come behind the unicycle, and please push me up on my bottom onto the unicycle. Now, Gary, it's not sexual, it is English comedy. Okay, it's not sexual for me. Okay, well, I'll be on the bike, and I'm going to finish the show very quickly with 3 machetes on the bike, and not forgetting the grand finale, full speed chainsaw on the table, and maybe for the finale, slicing flesh from my limbs.
Yay!
Okay, a lot of people weren't here for the warm-up, guys. The warm-up, guys, the rehearsal, it goes like this. Everybody has to go ooh. I know it's stupid, you know it's stupid, but the tourists love it. Come on, guys, how about it's my only show of the day, guys. Very soon, chainsaw on the table, and maybe slicing flesh from my limbs. Lovely. First of all, I am going to mount Gary. One quick trick before we mount Gary, which usually doubles the size of this audience. I'm going to throw the little Diablo into the air and catch it. When I catch it, can you help me out one last time by clapping, screaming and shouting? And what happens if you make lots of noise, everybody in the market hears the noise, they drop their consumer products, they stop consumerism and rush out to see what they're missing. Okay, we lower consumerism and it's really good for the environment. Let's put something back, guys, something back into the world. Okay, when I catch it, go crazy. Give me a quick practice clap. Here's a practice clap, guys. Come on, folks, the more noise you make, the better it is for the greenhouse effect. Come on, everybody. A practice cheer, hooray! A practice scream, oh! And practice animal noise, on for your choice. Nice choices of it, lovely, interesting choices. A lot of people choosing silent animals while else. 1 second, everybody, I'm feeling flustered, I'm feeling nervous. To be honest, I'm feeling nervous about mounting Gary. This time, guys, when I catch it, go insane. 1, 2, 3. Okay, people, okay, folks, okay, guys. If I mess it up again, I'm taking off my trousers.
I'm going to stop recording at that point.
Gary, don't get excited. That's not going to happen.
I want to see that, I can't see it.
Hello. Hi, madam. It's going to get better.
If that happens, we'll stop recording.
This time, guys, last chance, everybody. Go crazy when I get the Javelin. After this, Gary gets it. 1, 2, 3.
He's not going to miss it.
He's going to miss it.
I'm really sorry, Gary. I'm really sorry. But it is Covent Garden. It is what the Covent Garden audiences usually like.
I've got a head in the way, it's okay.
Usually, in Covent Garden, when I do that, the crowd goes wild. Oh, come on, everybody, I've been taking steroids and everything.
She's excited.
If I mess it up again, it's going to get very, very embarrassing.
I'm going to
This guy can't take his eyes off me.
I might have to give him my
last chance, everybody. When I catch the Diablo, everybody go crazy. And this really is my last chance. This really is my last chance, everybody. After this, I am definitely going to mount Gary.
Poor Gary. Poor Gary.
That you can trust me now. Last chance, folks. Go crazy when I catch the Diablo. This is my last chance. Go crazy if I get it. Bloody hell, it's cold. What? Kids, work hard at school. Work really hard at school so you can go to university and get a good job. Like I did. Kids, one more word of advice, study business or science. Don't do a maths degree. Okay, last chance, folks, go crazy when I get it. 1, 2,
concentrate.
3. Oh my God, Gary, I'm so sorry. Gary, I really am sorry.
I want to stop recording now.
Audience, I'm so sorry, I really am. But I've got a backup plan. Can you stop laughing, everybody? Stop laughing, people. Stop laughing. Stop laughing, folks. Shut up. There we go. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody that I stuffed the pants. This really is my last chance, folks. This is definitely my last chance. I'm going to throw it down low. I'm going to catch it. I'm going to bounce. So cool.
I bet Gary wishes not coming now.
If I mess it up again, it is the funniest and the smallest joke you've ever seen in your life. But if I do mess it up, teachers, please take the kids home. Last chance, guys. Go crazy if I get it. 1, 2, 3.
good.
You're ready for Gary. Please get
You're
ready.
disappointed now, aren't you?
Everybody here has been waiting for. It is time for me to mount you.
Why does he have to use the word now?
Keep the back straight, put the arms up, the palms up, a little bit higher with the arms. That's it. It's a surrender posture, which I know isn't easy for an American. That's perfect. That's cool. Get ready, guys. We're on the stage, into the air, onto Gary's shoulders. He comes behind the bike, pushes me up on my bottom onto the bike. I finish the show, full speed change from the table, and maybe slicing flesh from my lips. Come on, guys, I'm going to risk my life. I'm only risking my dignity and self-respect.
What dignity and self-respect?
Cheese on the table and maybe slicing flesh from my lips. Beautiful. Get ready, Gary. Prepare yourself emotionally. Let's go on the rope. Prepare yourself spiritually for what you are about to receive. Me. Just take this a second. Okay, guys, it's the last 5 minutes of the show. The reason I'm doing this with the ropes is I just want to ask you guys a last little favour. If you guys can just go a little bit closer up off the step, and it'll create a nice atmosphere for the last 5 minutes, and it just gets a really nice little stage, like a circus.
He likes people watching him.
If everyone goes a little bit closer, guys, on this side, it makes it safer as well, because people don't walk through the audience for the stage area.
I got 5 points.
Thank you. Everybody, please come a little bit closer. If you don't speak English, please copy everybody else. It's bloody obvious what I'm saying. That's great, guys. I'm just going to put the trousers into my case, because yesterday a little kid ran on stage and stole my trousers.
Have to pull up their pants.
And there's 20 pounds in the pocket, so I chased the kid down
Way to be
to shoot my
classy,
chainsaw. And that was really hard to explain to the police when they turned up. And I was dressed like this.
Cheating
I
kid.
was a criminal, folks. Do you believe that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's finish the show, folks.
Oh, God, he's got
Let's not
a
mess
chainsaw.
around any longer. Let's do this.
Why is there a chainsaw up there?
Lovely audience. Let's do this, guys.
For chasing little kids to steal his
Gary,
trousers.
I'm not going to mess you around any longer. Gary, please get ready.
Oh, Jesus, no.
Everybody in the audience, give me energy to Mount Gary. When I step, everybody together, please make one hand
He's not going to stop using
one
the word
step, one hand clap, everybody working together. No, guys, everybody, guys, come on, remember what it was like when we all used to work together, when we had jobs, industry, and economy. Come on, guys, one step, one clap.
That's usually screwed.
What it was like before Facebook. Come on, guys,
American
one
screwed.
step, one clap, including the balcony. Balcony, this is for you too. Balcony, this is for you too. Come on, balcony, give me some love down here. You can see I do need it. One step, one clap, get ready, guys. I'm not going to mess around any longer. One step, guys, one clap. Everybody, Covent Gardens, together, guys. Energy. That's lovely. Louder. Beautiful. Nice. Come on, balcony. Celebrate my little body. Adore my secrets, everybody. Get ready, Gary. Thanks for helping. Leave it high. Thanks so much. Thank you. Leave it high into the air. So, 1 second. Gary, close your eyes.
Oh, good God.
Let's stay for a little while because it's funny for everybody else. I think your friends and family are taking photos. So flying crazy through the air.
Friends, family, complete and utter strangers.
Down with that arm a little bit. That's it, lovely. Whoa. That's it, I've got a bad knee. Just that goes over. That leg goes over. That sounds weird.
I knew I should have nominated you for this.
Still flying through the air like a bird. 1 second, stay still, guys. Doing a great job. Still flying through the air. Oh my goodness.
No.
And landed skillfully and daintily on Gary. Come on, everyone.
I was going to nominate
Guys, he's doing an amazing job so far. That's Gary. One last little bit. Can you just go behind the unicycle, please, Gary? Doing a fantastic job. Thank you very much. Guys, hold the mic tightly. Just going to get a couple more guys to hold the mics to get a little bit safer.
Yeah.
2 guys that are quite strong.
Yes.
Hello. Could you? Yeah, Frank, your boyfriend. He's quite big and strong. Thank you. Thanks very much. Give this guy some love. He's going to save my life. Please hold the mic at the front there, buddy. And one more person, sir, in the blue jacket, could you hold the mic at the front just to make it a bit safer? Thank you very much. Give this guy a clap as well, folks. What a lovely man helping out the show. Thanks, buddy.
I think that classifies as an orgy now.
Thank you very much. Just hold the mic. Is English okay? Where are you guys from? Germany? Where? What? The Cayman Islands. Okay, that's cool.
Oh, Cayman Islands.
I'll be nice to you because you're rich. Okay, hold the mic tightly, guys. Gary, please push me up now
No, I'm
by my
gonna go
bottom
find
onto
the
the
German
unicycle.
soccer player, okay?
It's under there. That's it, just under there. Whoa, 1 second, Gary, 1 second. Please put me down, Gary. 1 second. Gary, please don't pull the buttocks apart. That will cause considerable tearing. Please support you right underneath. That's good. That's lovely. Oh my God, that's amazing. Oh my goodness, right there. I'm feeling a special connection with Gary. I'm going to take a few more hours. I think, everybody, I think that I'm falling in love. Gary, you're an amazing volunteer. Thanks very much for helping out the show. Thank you for doing that. I want everyone to give Gary the biggest round of applause and had him coming out there. Come on, people. What a great sport.
Unlucky.
For the 300 people touching another man's bottom so beautifully. Gary, you have lovely touch. Gary, please come back tomorrow. Or just call me. Okay, now one last thing. I need somebody, a volunteer very quickly, to pass me a knife. Is there a volunteer in the audience? Can you help me out, little person? Can you help me out? Hello, how old are you?
Oh yeah, give the child a
8, and what's your name?
Great idea.
Samia, 8-year-old Samia, can you pass me up, sorry? Samia, yeah, can you pass me up the razor sharp machete? That's a good to us. Way more fun. Bring them over here. That's it. Wave it around in front of these guys' faces. Top and then a blue black stripy top. Go to that man with the knife and tell that man to give you money. Come back, Samia. That's a joke. You don't do that. Samia, come back. It's a joke. You don't do that. You wait until you're a teenager. Thanks, Samia. Give Samia a big round of applause, everybody. Thanks for helping out. Okay, the guys, just move the feet away from the wheel. Hold the bike, hold the bike, hold the bloody bike, hold the bike. Come on, hold the bloody bike. Yeah, ha ha ha. Move the bike forward a tiny bit, guys. Thanks for helping. Move it back forward a tiny bit. A little bit further forward. That's good, guys. Hold the bike tightly. A bit further forward, guys. That's good. Okay, oh my God. Yeah, forward, that's good. Okay, guys, I'm going to count to... Hold the bike, Cayman Islands. Okay, I'm going to count to 3. After 3, you guys run. Do you all understand the instructions? Mon ami française. Hello? Moi, je vais dire 1, 2, 3. Après 3, vous...
Peg it.
Piss off. Sorry, I don't mean that rudely. Okay, after 3, guys. And I want to say thank you for helping, guys. Thank you very much for helping. Because you helped, I give you private show. Only he got the private show. Okay, guys, after 3, you've been lovely to help. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Go, 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 go. Give those guys a clap.
Got a bit of a ball.
Move. I'm joking. It was lucky I was joking because they were too terrified to move. 1 second, everybody. I'm going to juggle the bike, jump onto a table, finish off with a full speed chainsaw, and maybe slice flesh from my limbs. Alright, don't clap for this. This is just a warm-up for the chainsaw finale. But if you have any photos, if you have any comments, you can send them in to my Facebook fan page, which is called Covent Garden Chainsaw Juggler with great ass. 1 second, hold the applause. I'm going to get onto the table, finish the show in 1 minute. If I miss the table, I break both my knees. Again. That looks like what you want. From the bike to the table, everybody. And this is everybody's favourite bit. From the bike to a table. Because this is the bit of the show where I lose my last shred of dignity and self-respect. Thanks, English people, for laughing. Okay, this is it, folks. This is it, everybody. This table was built, it was designed by me, it was built by a man in East Acton, and it's absolutely crap, which makes it extra exciting for everybody. We're doing the finale, guys. Full speed chainsaw, and then I'm going to try something. After the chainsaw, I'm going to attempt to do something that's never ever been done in Covent Garden ever before.
It's been done everywhere else.
I'm going to attempt to get money from everyone who's watched the show.
Good luck!
Suddenly you're not laughing. Guys, don't forget, guys, this is my job. This is what I do for my living. If you've enjoyed it, please support it if you can afford it. Last night I had a dream, somebody gave me £20, but I know that dream's never going to come true, even on the day before my birthday. Just thought I'd mention that. Thanks, buddy. If you can't afford it, guys, paper money's lovely. If you can't afford paper money, pound coins are lovely. If you have
that means
money,
giving away your coins.
Thank you. That's all
that means giving away coins. That means giving away coins.
Please don't walk away from the show. If you have no money, please say thank you. If you walk away, all I've got is the alcoholics to hang out with over there.
Oh, you're getting a flower.
Okay, come and support us afterwards.
Oh,
Thank you all personally. And you really have been a lovely crowd. Thank you very much for watching.
Wait, what?
We're just going to hold that.
Oh, one last thing, guys. I've got a scar here from where it went wrong. If you come up, you'll be able to see it properly. Please don't clap until I do the last catch, because I get very nervous, and then sometimes I make mistakes. Wait till the last catch and then go crazy.
You're terrible.
Says you.
Alright, when there's blood, I'm walking. I'll give you
3, 2, 1, everyone scatter.
Turn around, folks. Not taking it. Ooh. 1 second.
Yo, too many balls.
Get ready, everybody. Yes! I'm alive!
Now get down.
And I didn't kill any of the kids. Oh my God! Look over there! A man in a grey top is walking away without even coming to say thank you. Everybody, boo the man! Everybody, hiss the man! Everybody, I'm gonna get the man! There's one last thing, guys. Come and support the show. I pour my heart and soul into every show, guys. That's what I love doing. Come and pour what you can't afford into my hat, and I'll thank you all personally.
This is job. You don't want to get paid in flowers.
Jump down now.
You don't want to get paid in flowers.
And you may rush forward. Please don't forget that the exit is over here in the middle of the stage. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Near the chainsaw.
You've been a lovely crowd. Thank you. You may rush forward now. Thanks so much, guys. Yes. Thank you.